I think we prefer the term dapper. Colorful Mark Warren. That's what the C stands for in C. Mark
Colorful.
Warren. C. Mark,
Good.
welcome to the show,
Good to see you,
baby.
Chip.
Hey, Mark Warren and here comes our general manager. Oh, boy.
We obviously lost a bet here. We lost a bet, and so we're Big Orange today.
We are Big Orange
it's
for
Bama
life.
week.
We're fans for life.
Absolutely, fans for life.
So even though the Vols are a 32-point underdog on us,
I mean, are we really?
you think they
we
can,
playing Bama?
think they can pull it off?
We own Bama. Bama ain't got nothing. They got something.
You know,
are they ranked?
When Tennessee wins,
they are ranked, aren't they?
when Tennessee
Okay,
wins,
well,
people are going to be styling
next
on
week too.
I love the outfit.
We look fabulous. We really
we do.
I love it, man. That's great.
We could go out and walk downtown and get arrested, and we'd have to hire a lawyer.
Absolutely.
Thankfully, we have one of the best here.
That's a great segue, Chip.
Thank you very much. I worked on that past couple of minutes. I wanted to ask you, and you and I have talked about this before, how do you know how to properly choose the right lawyer for your case?
Great question, and I'm going to blow your mind with this, okay, because you should never choose a lawyer solely because of a TV commercial.
Right.
That might be a good starting place for a phone call, but it's always good to call the law office. This is what I suggest, you know. If you need a lawyer, be it a car wreck, a new will, a business formation, first off, you got to find the right lawyer for what you need.
Right.
And ask around at church. Ask your neighbors, have they used a lawyer before? The best referral that we get is from a past client or someone that we know. Because a TV commercial does not really give you the full picture about the lawyer that's advertising on the TV set.
And the experience and the background and the number of cases all come into play. But I got to ask you, a lot of folks will hire these out-of-town lawyers who, as you have pointed out before, don't even have a law license in the state of Tennessee. Why would somebody do that?
Well, just because they're persuaded by a lot of TV ads. And that's why they would call somebody because of that. Because if you're not licensed in Tennessee, obviously you can't file a lawsuit in Tennessee.
Right.
And the insurance companies know those lawyers that can't file a lawsuit. And so those insurance companies devalue the case because the lawyer cannot talk the talk and walk the walk.
So one of these out-of-town lawyers would have to get another attorney who is licensed here in Tennessee to file it. And what was the devalued? Kind of watered down?
It would water down the value of the case because the insurance company knows that in your negotiations, you never can back up the claim as far as what you think the case is worth.
Right.
And sometimes the lawyer that they hire, you have no choice in the matter.
Sure.
They'll send you to a lawyer that you've never met before. And sometimes the lawyer is not even located in Chattanooga. Sometimes that lawyer is located maybe in Winchester, Tennessee, where now you're having to drive back and forth, which is another important reason to do your research and make sure they have a local law office.
Yeah.
You know, you want to be able to, and clients all the time walk in our office with a question, with paperwork.
Yeah.
You know, and you want to be accessible to your clients.
And once you've signed that paperwork committing this out-of-state attorney, then you're locked in to whoever they choose for you.
You are locked in. You are locked in. There are some situations where you can change lawyers, and you can always call a lawyer here locally about those situations. That if you want to change lawyers because you did not know that they were not licensed in Tennessee.
Sure.
If you did not know that and you hired them, that's a reason to change lawyers.
Seems to me like that's a case of buying a car or a house sight unseen.
Absolutely.
You want to know who you're dealing with and who's got your best interest at heart.
And also the attorney fees may vary also.
Yeah.
It seems that the out-of-state lawyers charge more than people located in Chattanooga for attorney fees.
All right. If you want information on this and any of the other many topics that these guys are expert on, Warren and Griffin, you can find them anywhere. See Mark Warren here, of course. We got to bring John Mark in one of these days. We're going to do this here in a minute. All seriousness. Check out Warren and Griffin. You can call them at 265-HURT. 265-HURT, and the website, warrenandgriffin.com. Stick around. We have more of Let's Chat straight ahead.